Let's go into exactly why the crypto market is melting down today. And in the short term, it's bearish, but in the long term, extremely bullish. Check this out. Companies are beginning to panic. Experts say China's lockdowns will make inflation and the supply chain nightmare even worse. So sticky inflation is going to be here. The government has to raise interest rates so people spend less and buy less, and so costs come down. That's their goal, and it's causing the entire market to come down because the cost to borrow is going up. And so right now, Bitcoin is still lumped into the rest of the risk assets stock market pool. People haven't realized that it's the solution to inflation. If you can store your capital securely, digitally, by owning data, which blockchain enables, and do it on the securest blockchain, be able to transfer it wherever you want seamlessly and cheap, that's the solution to inflation. People haven't figured that out, but that is our opportunity as long-term investors. In the meantime, let's check out the short-term price action on the Bitcoin chart. So this is showing that whenever the slope of both the 20 and 50-day moving averages turn negative, Bitcoin has a 50% drawdown. And so the black line is the Bitcoin price. The other lines on top are the 20 and 50-day moving averages. And you can see whenever they turn down, it's followed by about a 50% move. And so what happened just now, we have a down turn. And so if you guys have been following along, you will realize that I have thought that we're going to get one last meltdown in the Bitcoin price. Target is still low 30s. It could even breach 30K. Who knows? I would be buying up heavily. As a tip for you guys, right now 1% of my portfolio is in a short position, meaning that if the market goes down, I make money as a hedge, right? So that short in a meltdown could turn into a 10% position in my portfolio. I sell that, I buy Bitcoin cheaper. That's the goal. We'll see what happens. But long term, let's go into the fundamentals and why this asset is so ridiculously bullish and why it is our opportunity to buy on dips. First of all, guys, Fidelity to allow savers to put Bitcoin into their 401ks accounts. Why have the stock market just going? Why does the stock market go up nonstop? Because people every week, every paycheck just dump money into the stock market. And baby boomers, millennials have just been doing that for years, and it's just pumping up the stock market. Well, what if millennials and baby boomers start to put their 401k paycheck money into Bitcoin? Well, that's going to be a rocket ship, right? Fidelity is allowing that. That's huge. Check this out. CoinMe enters the 49th state installing Bitcoin ATMs in Vermont grocery store. So they partnered up with Coinstar. I don't know if you guys have seen the Coinstar kiosks at grocery stores where you can exchange your change for dollar. Well, almost every grocery store has them. Well, almost every grocery store is about to have a Bitcoin ATM. That is huge. And so what assets benefit when Bitcoin goes up? The altcoins, right? Dogecoin has been pumping because now it's going to be the token used on the Twitter platform. It's already the token used on Tesla and all of Elon Musk's other platforms. So that is why it's bullish. Two huge companies are now adopting Dogecoin. And so it really can't be ignored. There's only one Dogecoin. There are many great layer one solutions that are competing with each other, but there's only one Dogecoin. So we'll stay on top of these updates, guys. There's so much to talk about. Can't wait to get into all that's going on in this market.